Video 536, file 896, part 36 of the Atomic Ivy MMO source. Let's get into it. So we added some display names. Inside of top-level lookup tables section, we've added material display names. Inside of this section is also bomb display name table, which this section marker is a little bit weird because not all of these tables in here are bomb names. But yeah, I'm fucking getting, yeah, we should probably change that. Let's not worry about it right now. Down here, V16 to display name geometry. We're not going to use this name, we're going to use this name, G16 to display name geometry. I have not yet committed to the display names for the different geometry tiles. They're just little to-do messages here. The B16 to display name bomb, however, I have committed to all these names. So we have 3 different kinds of spark pins, 4 types of laser boxes, 4 types of tendril bombs, and 4 types of echo box bombs. If you want to know more about what these bombs do, you'll have to go to the longer playlist. FATA stands for flames and damage. So we're going to take a F16 value, a FATA value, expressed as an integer, and we're going to get the display name of that FATA tile. I have not yet committed to what these flame or damage types will be yet, so they're just to-do messages for now. Okay, that's all we did. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did in this video. We just added the display names for the different geometry tiles, bomb tiles, and FATA tiles. That is all we did. Now, if you want me to explain what those different tiles do, you can pop down to this playlist here on the Ninja Coder channel. It's the exact same video number. It's still video 536. It's just on a different channel. If you want technical demos, you can go here. You, right now, are here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on an MMO called Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman Metroidvania game, but instead of using classic Bomberman bombs, we use proximity mines with directional blasts. So like and subscribe.